Hey guys, we are here for the rapid fire section of today's Pickleball Uncut podcast. And here we have with us Mr. Vishal Punna and Ms. Ramya and my co-host Sanjay. So we have a couple of fun and interesting questions that we prepared for them. Let's see what answers they give out. So, okay. Start off with a very, not very controversial question. So both of you can probably go first, Vishal. Next you can go, Ramya. So the question is, compared to, all teams are picked players, right? So for certain prizes, maybe in terms of their price or maybe expectations, which players do you feel are overrated at this point? We are 3 weeks into the tournament, maybe in terms of their performance so far or the prize that have been picked up, maybe not justification happening over there or whatever.
Overrated or overpriced?
Overpriced or overrated? Which player? It can be of someone from your own team also or any other.
I'm underpaid.
Quick.
I overpaid. How much Girish and all got paid?
1 lakh.
I think Girish is overpaid.
Okay.
Sanjay, you have something to say about that?
No. Ramya, go.
I can't think of an overrated player. Performance-wise, I think that
It's not overrated. Who got overpaid?
or overrated.
Overrated or overpaid?
Overrated you said, didn't say. You said overpaid.
As in,
Anything.
it's very similar because
He's a good player.
Overpaid and underperformed, you can say that way. That combination.
performance again to prioritize.
I would say Bhaskar.
Okay.
He underperformed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't take names, but I can tell you, I feel like any captain that is not playing their 2 matches, I would say, is overpaid.
You mean Harsh?
No.
Or Zina?
In general. I mean, that's the point of that icon player holding their fort. So I feel
Oh,
like.
you can name icon player also.
Harsh, next match drop her, okay?
No. They were taken for a reason as an icon player. I mean, in terms of just performance.
Then I would think. I think it's
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite player from another team apart from yours?
Too many, dude. Too many. In men, I think Shrikar, amazing player. In women, I think everyone, honestly. I absolutely love Veda, Niharika, Sama. So those are my 3 picks.
Michelle, you. Both male and female, both.
Can I take Sridhar's name?
No.
No,
apart from her.
apart from your
Apart from my team. Who is like a very good player?
Who do you think is a good player apart from your team? Both
Good or your favorite player?
Who's favorite player
from other teams? Other teams.
There are quite a few, but I think on top of my mind, Veda is there. She is there. And Niharika.
Men?
Men, Nikhil. I saw him play last week. I think he did a very good job.
So continuing with the same similar question, if you are not part of your current teams, which other team would you have wanted to be a part of, or maybe something which you don't want to be a part of?
Don't want to be in nowhere. Everyone is, if all the players are good, they are equally balanced. But be a part of, I think, as I said before, Segu, because he's a friend.
Okay.
So definitely Segu's key.
Okay.
What about you, Ramya?
I think I would have added most value in All Stars, and they had the extra pocket for me. Other teams might not have been able to afford 2 strong players for women. But camaraderie wise, I think the Titans are a fun bunch.
Okay. Is there any team that you didn't want to be part of prior to the auction?
No, not at all.
Okay. Did you want, was there anything for you that you didn't want to be part of for the auction?
Nothing like that.
Okay.
So one interesting question here. So who do you think, it's a player we're talking about, who takes the credit but doesn't put in the effort? As in it's all talk and no show type situation.
Nah, I don't know.
Come on, guys.
No, I really don't know any. I don't know so many players, to be honest.
And it can be from the own team also.
Yeah, own team, then it's me because I don't show up for practice. I don't show do anything. So yeah. What about you, Ramya?
I think he puts in a lot of work, but definitely a lot of talk is Gopi. He puts in a lot of work though, and I'm sure it's only a matter of time before his results come.
Okay. Which team do you think is using a lot of loopholes in the rules?
We know who it is. It's definitely Titans are using that to their advantage. That's the first team that comes to mind. Oh, 35 plus ka.
Okay, yeah. I think everyone is using, right? But they make a player come in and go out.
Yeah.
Then I think yes.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think
Titans? Yeah.
Because what I feel like if they have put a rule where a 35 player has to be in the team, I think they have to play the match.
Yeah.
It becomes an unfair advantage for that player. So they go in, player ko khilaya 2 minute and they're out. Why did you pick him? I mean, then take out that rule. That rule that a 35 player has to be there. I mean,
And
what is the
option
use?
strategy was based on that as well.
Yeah, exactly. So I would rather have that player play
Yeah.
the whole match rather than like it's like an insult or something. That's what I feel. I feel nikal diya because you think is not good, then why did you pick him?
Okay. So if there was one player who's on another team who you wanted to be in your team, which player would that be?
No.
You don't want any.
And our team, I think same. Girls again, I will name.
Yeah.
Like 4, Fairoz, her, Niharika, and Veda.
Yeah.
So if you want to take any of them
Into your team, who would you replace from your team?
Right now, I would say.
And first they're asking one
Aruna,
easy
not
question.
second because she travels, she is not there all the time and stuff like that. Yeah. Maybe because Aruna, she can't give so much of practice. Also. I mean, saying about
For you now.
Now I know it's a trap.
Definitely one of those 4 girls and remove Aruna for the reasons.
Okay.
Either Shrikar or Sam, I think both of them would have closed out the men's part for us. I'm not removing anyone from our team. We're going to have 11 people.
No, you can't.
No.
Then do that way.
That's terrible. No, I know.
you don't have an option.
I legit cannot pick. Now you've gotten yourself in a hole. I'm not getting myself there.
This is unfair.
Yeah, it's unfair. Unfair on my part, yeah.
That is true. Yeah, 100%. But no, not peer pressure.
For you,
Sure.
if one player has to be benched for the rest of the season, who do you think it should be?
Like across any
team.
is it?
Mm.
Give me a second, no?
Yeah.
If you have an answer.
Of course, a new team bench. I have no idea.
Yeah, I can't think of an answer to that.
Okay.
I know, but I don't want to say.
Okay. Easy. Say it. It's okay.
Zina.
Okay.
Right.
Would you like to answer as well?
No.
Okay. Which team do you think is the easiest to play with and you think it's a cakewalk for your team?
I think we had our strongest chance against Dassos last week. If we had Pharaohs, we should have been able to clean that up properly, but we didn't.
But going into the tournament, when you saw all your fixtures, which fixture you thought should be the easiest? You think Dassos was the easiest?
Kirti or Dassos?
Okay. And what about you, Vishal? You saw the complete fixture.
None.
You thought everything was difficult.
For me, everything is different.
Everything is difficult or everything is easy?
No. For me, all the teams are balanced out. Because going in, I didn't know who Nandu and Gopi was. And I didn't know Aruna so much. I didn't know Ishita. I didn't know Satvika. So going in, from my point of view, I think all the teams are balanced. Well, you know, if I feel something, I say that. So I think all the teams are balanced. It's just that on that given day, who is playing good. That's it. Because everyone taking these Kirti, no.
Starry's match.
Starry's matches, then everything started. Oh, Starry's matches is the easiest team. But no, it's not.
Yeah. No. That's been clear. Okay. Yeah. So
Who's the unlikely friend you made in the pickleball community? Who you thought would never gel with you, but going in now you have a camaraderie with them. Who do you think you've made?
I wouldn't say unlikely in the sense that I didn't think that I would gel with them, but the amount of closeness I've gotten with all of my partners who have played in my team, like Rohan, I didn't know him at all before the league, and now I think we're pretty close. Like I know a lot about his life, he knows a lot about mine, so that's there. Pharaohs and I talk on a daily basis at this point. So yeah, I think all of my partners are quite close at this point.
Yeah. Vishas.
Hey, everyone.
Name a couple of people. Or somebody like who you thought like on the first glance, maybe this guy is not my type, maybe I might not go along, but then you made a very strong bond with him.
Anisha.
Okay.
Anisha Padma.
Okay.
okay.
Clarity.
So if there was one shot that you could steal from some other player, it can be a shot or it can be like a technique or whatever else, what would that be and who would that player be?
Me, nothing. I'm perfect. So someone else is a dent with me. So yes.
Shriekar's resets and Sam's finishing shot. Because it looks really good as well when he's finishing those volleys.
Okay. Which team complains the most?
Nandita Tigers.
I haven't played them yet, so I'm going to get to know. But I've heard the Raptors and I've definitely seen a bit of Kirti as well.
Okay. I think that comes, I mean, with that we finished the rapid fire. I'm glad we had
Thanks
that.
for being very prompt with your answers, guys. Being very frank. Looking forward to seeing you guys again on the podcast sometime. Maybe next time we'll get a little more spicier questions for you.